Hello students, welcome to the Balgovindam online classes. Today we will learn about nouns. As we have already discussed that all naming words are noun, today we will discuss about proper and common noun. As we all know, all naming words are called noun. That means if we talk about name, place, animals or things, that all comes under the category of noun. Example, if we are talking about Ram, Ram is a person. Ram is the name of a person. Delhi is the name of a place. Tiger is the name of animal. Or table is the name of a things. That all comes under the category of noun. Noun is naming words. Now, we are talking about common and proper noun today. What is common noun? The name we give in general to every person, animal, place, or thing of same kind is common noun. For example, boy, dog, city, pencil. That means when we are talking about a category of a person, category of place, category of animals or things, that comes under common noun. And now see what is proper noun. The name we give to a particular person, animal, place or thing, it is a proper noun. That means when we are talking about a particular person, we have given it a name. If we are talking about a particular place and if we are giving it a name, that is proper noun. That means see, for example, if we are talking about Aman, Aman is a particular person, so it comes under proper noun. Delhi is the name of a particular place, that is a proper noun. Bruno is a particular name of an animal, so that is a proper noun. One thing more to be noted is that proper noun always starts with a capital letter. For example, if you are writing Harish, Harish is the name of a person, that will start with a capital H. Tommy, name of an animal, start with capital T. India is the name of a country, starts with capital. And likewise, Taj Mahal is a famous monument, and we will start with letter T, capital. Now, see, I have given one worksheet and given some words, and I have mentioned 4 columns below. You have to write these words according to the category. If it is belong to a person or name, if we are talking about a person name, you write in the first column. If we are talking about place, you write in the second column. If we are talking about animal, you write in the third column. And if it is things, you write in the fourth column. See, first word I have given pizza. Pizza is a name of thing, eating things, eatables. So write in the fourth column, things. Nurse is a personal name, write in the first column. The umbrella is a thing, write in the third column. Kangaroo, animal, write in, sorry, umbrella in the fourth column. Kangaroo, an animal, so write in the animal column, third column. Giraffe, again an animal, third column. School is a place, second column. Market, place column. Pilot in the first column, person or name. Aunt, again a person or name, column. Hospital is a place, second column. Frog is an animal, third column. Goa is a place, write it in the place column. Rahul is a personal name, it is a proper noun, write in the first column. Cow, it is a common noun, write in the first column. And bat, if you are writing bat according to the things, you write in the fourth column. And if you are talking about the bat animal, you write it in the third column. Likewise, I have given one more worksheet for common and proper noun. Now, what you have to do in this worksheet, see, I have given a word and made a box after the word. Now, you have to write C for common noun and P for proper noun. That means if the word belongs to common noun, you write C, and if the word belongs to a proper noun, you write P. See, number 1, boy. Boy is a common noun. When we say boy, we are talking about the whole category of boys. That doesn't mention a particular boy or particular. We are talking about the whole boy category. So it is a common noun. Now write C. When we are talking about Rahul, it mentions a particular person, particular name of a person, so it is proper noun. Beach, common noun. Mountains, common noun. Bruno, proper noun. India, name of a country, specializing a particular name, proper noun. School, common noun. Pencil, common noun. Bal Govindam school. When we are talking about a particular school, then you will write proper noun. Book, common noun. The Bhagavad Gita, proper noun. When we are talking about book, it is a common noun. But when we are talking about of the Bhagavad Gita, it is the name of a particular special book. So it comes under proper noun. The Himalayas, proper noun. Again, I have given one worksheet for common and proper noun. You see, I have given a list of words and I have given two categories, common noun and proper noun. I have made two columns. If the words belongs to common noun category, you write in the common noun column, and if it is a personal noun, it is a proper noun, special noun, write in the proper noun column. See, student is a common noun, so write in this column. Box again is a common noun, write in this column. Castle, common noun. Hawa Mahal, when we are talking about Hawa Mahal, it is the name of a particular fort, famous fort. So it is a name of a particular fort, so it comes under proper noun. Bikaner again is the name of a city, it comes under proper noun. School, common noun. Elephant, common noun. River, common noun. Girl, again common. Fruits, common. Birds, common. Kiwi, common. Sachin Tendulkar is the name of a personal name. We are talking about a famous cricket player, so it comes under proper noun. Player, common noun. Flowers, common. Kanpur, name of a city, proper noun. Cup, common. Cabbage, common. Country again is a common noun. India is the name of a particular country, comes under proper noun. Sita, proper noun. Tommy, proper noun, name of a animal. So likewise you will have to fill the worksheet. Students, hope you all have understood now the use of common and proper noun. Now fill the worksheet and understand the definition clearly. Again I am showing the worksheet, see properly. This is third worksheet, and then see the first worksheet again.